Alright, watch.
No.
What's this?
Oh. It's already looking like it's rising.
It will rise once we put the vinegar in.
Oh,
Paint.
we have to move back, guys.
Bit of paint. Just use the end of the thing.
Okay. Yeah, move back, guys. Move back. Really move back.
Willow, you go. Willow, you sit with Gracie.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, we're going to put the vinegar in and it's go. Wow.
Alright.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa.
Oh.
Oh. I want to put some more in.
Okay. It's not quite red, but oh well. Oops. Need to pay more attention.
Wow. Wow, guys, look at that. Maybe if I put some more of this in. Really, I'll do it. Wow, guys, look at that. It's not really what we expect. I thought it would be wow.
Like this.
Really, I'll do it.
Sorry?
I
Stir it.
never could do it. Okay, guys. This is so cool. Look at that.
Maybe put some more bicarb and stuff in. Okay, Willow.
Oh my god, look at that.
Gonna-
Guys, look.
Oh, thanks, Willow.
So yellow.
Oops. Okay, I'm running to. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not yellow.
Well, you can see it.
It's big. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks funny. Just a lot more solid.
Maybe because they put a lot more baking soda in. I'm going to put it.
Oh, good job, Willow. Thanks.
Good job, Willow.
And we have to take off Willow's band-aid.
Good job. Woohoo! Do you want to do it finish?
Yeah, I want to do more.
Yeah.
Because it's my YouTube. Okay, guys, that was using my volcano with Marco and Willow and my mummy. Marco, okay, and me. Comment down below if you liked this. There's a lot more videos coming out. Please like it. Bye.